Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 28 Durward Street in Leven. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom first floor apartment. It is in the perfect moving condition. It's a really spacious property as well, with the potential to add value. So what I'm going to do is take you on the tour of the property, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about the location and of course the all important price point. So I'll leave you here and I will meet you inside. So we come into the property just here and you have this really spacious entrance hallway. And just above there you'll see the access to the loft. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the living room and make our way through the property. So straight away here you can see what I mean when I say spacious. This is such a great sized living room. So you can see you have the fireplace as a feature just there, that big window letting in loads of natural light. And this is your living room space. So it's such a good size, great high ceilings as well. And because it's such a big living room, what you could actually do is actually have a dining table just over there if need be. And you would still have all your space over this side of the room for your living room furniture. I'm going to take you through into the kitchen, and what's great about this kitchen is the amount of worktop space and cupboard space that you have, which you can see for yourself. Plenty of storage to keep everything. You have 2 windows in this kitchen as well, so again letting in loads of light. You have your integrated hob and oven. Then you have space down the end for a freestanding fridge freezer, as you can see. Now I'm just going to show you the kitchen from this angle, again just to show you the sheer amount of cupboard space that you get. So that's a really good sized kitchen. And again, this is the living room just from a different angle, so you can really get a true feeling for the space that you're getting. Then back into the hallway, and just off to the left here is we have the bathroom. So you have your bath with overhead shower, and then your WC and wash hand basin. So that is your bathroom. Now we're going to go along the hallway to the bedrooms. So we're going to start with bedroom number 2. So you would easily get obviously a single or a double bed in this room. It's a good sized second bedroom. Now what's great about this is if you actually don't need a second bedroom, what you could do is use this as a home office or a dressing room and utilise that space. But what I do love, and this is why I've saved this till last, is the master. So first off, you'll see the size of this master, but the feature that I love the most is that big, beautiful bay window and the window seat, which is just great. But look at the size of this master. Such a good size. And then that, as I say, the big bay window letting in loads of natural light. It's a lovely day here today as well, so just sitting there, kind of just soaking up the sun at the end of the day and just watching the world go by. So it's such a good size master. Then you have the fireplace feature. That is a storage cupboard just there. But look at the size of this room for a master. It's just great. And as I say, that bay window letting in all that light, and of course the sun as well today. So I thought I would take the opportunity to sit here and tell you about 28 Durward Street. So that was the property tour. As you've just seen, it is in the perfect moving condition. So I thought I would take the opportunity to sit here, soak up the sun and tell you about 28 Durward Street. So that was the personal tour. As you've seen, it's a really spacious 2-bedroom first floor apartment. It is in moving condition, and as you may have seen throughout, you do have the potential to add value. Now this property is on the market for offers over 72,000. So let me tell you a little bit about the location, because the location is great as well. Now it is really central. You are just a short walk and you have all your local amenities on the high street. You are also just a short walk to the beach, and just along from that is the golf course as well. So you have everything on your doorstep. but you can also commute from this location as well, with the bus station connecting you with bus routes all over Fife. And then obviously spring 24, we do have the train station coming to Leven as well. So the location, it really is great for this one as well. So if this property appeals to you, then please do message me directly, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties TV, take care.